Hey everyone, welcome to Flair For Words. Have you ever hesitated to use a word even though you know it? Maybe you're unsure about its pronunciation or the right preposition to use with it. That's exactly why I created this channel. Take accustomed for example. It means familiar with or used to something. But knowing just the meaning isn't enough. You need to pronounce it correctly, pair it with the right preposition. We say accustomed to, not accustomed with, and use it naturally in context. Like, I'm not accustomed to waking up this early. The difference between accustomed to and accustomed with can make you sound confident or unsure. Hi, I'm Amrita, a TEFL certified English educator from the UK with over 14 years of teaching experience, including vocabulary, communication skills, and IELTS coaching. I also spent 7 years in the corporate world as a communication coach, and I am trained in proofreading and copy editing. All that experience taught me one powerful truth. Whether you're writing an email or preparing for an interview, your words shape how others see you. Here on Flair for Words, you'll discover new words in every lesson. Each video goes beyond just the meaning. You'll learn the pronunciation, the right preposition, common collocation, and real life examples. Every lesson is designed to help you build your everyday vocabulary and is especially helpful if you're aiming for a higher IELTS speaking band. I'll also share these words on my blog, that's flairforwords.com. My goal is simple, to help you understand, feel, and use words confidently in your daily life. If you love learning the story behind the words and want to speak English with confidence and flair, hit subscribe and let's start this journey together, because words aren't just for speaking, they are for connecting. Thank you.